Investing your money can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it can also be risky if you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we'll explore some smart ways to invest your money that can help you achieve your financial goals. Before you start investing, it's important to understand what your financial goals are. Are you looking to grow your savings, plan for retirement, or generate income? Different types of investments will be better suited to different goals, so it's important to identify your specific needs. Diversification is one of the most important rules of investing. Diversifying your investments means spreading your money across different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. This helps to reduce the risk of losing your money in case one type of investment doesn't perform well. One of the most simple and smart ways to invest your money is to put it into low-cost index funds. These funds track a stock market index, like the S&P 500, and they offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in a broad range of stocks. Investing doesn't require large amounts of money. Small amounts of money can be invested over time. This is called dollar cost averaging. For example, you could invest a small amount of money each month into a low-cost index fund. It's important to educate yourself about the different types of investments available and the risks and rewards associated with each of them. In conclusion, investing your money can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to be smart about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.